Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we'll explore why buying Bitcoin is a smart move for your financial future. Let's dive in. Bitcoin, the digital currency, has been making waves since its inception. But what makes it special? Here are 4 key reasons to consider buying Bitcoin. Number 1, potential for high returns. Firstly, Bitcoin has shown tremendous potential for high returns. Over the past decade, early investors have witnessed astonishing growth. Many became millionaires by investing in Bitcoin. Remember, Bitcoin's value can be volatile, so research and consider your risk tolerance before investing. Number 2, decentralization and financial freedom. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network called blockchain. No entity or government controls it. This financial freedom eliminates intermediaries like banks, giving you control over your money. Bitcoin transactions are often faster and cheaper than traditional banking systems, especially for cross-border transfers. This financial autonomy and global access make Bitcoin attractive. Number 3, hedge against inflation. Bitcoin serves as a hedge against inflation. With a limited supply of 21 million coins, it's immune to the devaluation risks faced by traditional currencies. By allocating part of your portfolio to Bitcoin, you protect your wealth and purchasing power in the long run. Number 4, innovation and adoption. Finally, Bitcoin's potential for innovation and adoption sets it apart. It has paved the way for cryptocurrencies and blockchain applications that revolutionize industries like finance and supply chain management. As more individuals, institutions, and governments recognize Bitcoin's potential, its value and utility will likely increase. And here's a bonus point. By owning Bitcoin, you join a vibrant community of like-minded individuals who share knowledge, experiences, and investment opportunities. That's it, folks. Now you know why buying Bitcoin can be a game changer for your financial future. Remember, research, stay informed, and make wise investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more exciting cryptocurrency content. May your investments be prosperous. Thanks for watching.